Sun-Free Blinds is wholly owned by Li Yang Group. Sun-Free Blinds factory was established in 2005 with locations in Ningbo, China. It's only about 8 miles away from Ningbo Port and 80 miles away from Shanghai. The production plant has 206,000 square feet and more than 800 employees. The total investment for Sun-Free Blinds is over 60 million. Sun-Free Blinds, China's strongest listed company, stock code 870727, we specialize in smart home roller shades, motorized blinds, honeycomb blinds, Venetian blinds, pleated shades, and blinds components. With a wide range of first-class equipments and corresponding high technology, we strive to innovate in developing window coverings for ready-made blinds, fabrics, shades, and components.